Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to fix email notifications not working on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. To fix this issue, just open Settings, then tap on Notifications. Now under the Notification Style section, just look for the Mail app, then tap on it. Now just make sure you enable Allow Notifications and also enable notifications on lock screen. Enable the notifications in Notification Center and the notification banner. Also enable notification badges if you want to see a badge on the app icon when you receive a notification. Now if you're using a third-party mail app like Gmail, just go back, then tap on Gmail, and from here just enable Allow Notifications and also enable all the options in this section. Now if you have done all of that and if this did not fix your issue, then just swipe down from the top right of the screen and open the Control Center. In the Control Center, you will find the option of Focus Mode. Just tap on it. Now, if Do Not Disturb mode or any other focus mode is enabled on your iPhone, just tap on it and turn it off. After you turn off all the focus modes on your iPhone, then open Settings. And in Settings, just tap on Apps. Now from this app list, just open the Mail app. Then tap on Mail Accounts. Now from here, just select your mail account and tap on Delete Account. And after you do that, then tap on Add Account and tap on Choose from a List. And from here, just select your email provider name. I will select Google. Then tap on Open Browser. Now from here, just sign into your email account one more time. In this section, just enter your email address. Then tap on Next. Now in this section, just enter the password of your email address. After you enter the password, then tap on Next and tap on Continue. Select Continue. And by doing that, you will fix the email notifications not working issue on your iPhone. And this is how you can fix email notifications not working on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.